Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Cash app to manage credit and debit linked cards step by step clearly. Download the Cash app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the App Store on your mobile device. Type Cash app into the search bar and hit enter. Locate the Cash app icon, which features a green background with a white $sign. Tap the download or install button to start the download process. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Once installed, locate the Cash app icon on your device's home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. On the welcome screen, tap Continue to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. After entering your information, tap Next to receive a confirmation code. Check your messages for the confirmation code sent by Cash app. Enter the code in the designated field within the app. Once confirmed, you'll be asked to create a unique Cash app username, known as a $cash tag. Choose a $cash tag that you prefer and tap Next. Now, select the option to link your debit or credit card. Follow the prompts to input your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. After entering your card information, tap Add Card to link it to your account. You may also be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow any additional instructions that appear for verification. Once your card is linked, you can start managing your finances through Cash app. Explore the features of the app to make transactions, send money, and manage your linked cards. You're now ready to use Cash app for your financial needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.